Hi everyone, it's Miss Christine again, and I'm here to do a science experiment with you. And I'm going to be using a candy that most of you know called Skittles, which are fun to eat, but it's also fun to do science experiments with candy and food that you have around the house. So today I separated these Skittles into red, orange, yellow, green, and purple. And you can do that at home too. It's called sorting, and sort them by color. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put the Skittles on the plate in a circle, and we're gonna add some hot water to it, and then we're gonna see the magic that happens. So we'll start by putting the Skittles on the plate, and I'm gonna do a pattern, which means I'm going to put them on, and then it's gonna be in the same order each time. So I'm going to say it out loud for you. It's red, orange, yellow, green, purple. I'm going to do that all the way around the plate. So red, orange, yellow, green, and purple. And then we'll say it again. Red, orange, yellow, green, and purple. Another time. Red, orange, yellow, green, and purple. And then one more time. Hopefully they'll fit. Red, orange, yellow. It's going to be perfect. Green and purple. So when you do this, make sure that your plate has a circle in it and that all the Skittles are touching. Okay. The next part you're going to need help with from a grown-up at home. Because this water needs to be hot, it doesn't have to be boiling, but I put this in this water in the microwave for 1 minute to heat it up so I can touch the glass. It's not that hot, but the water inside is hot. So this part you want to have a grown-up help you with. I'm going to slowly pour the water in to the plate until it's just about touching like that. And then you're going to see what happens with the colors of the Skittles. It takes a little bit. Here it goes. If you have a white plate at home, sometimes it's really good to use a white plate, and you'll get to see the colors even brighter. And you see what's happening is I'm not touching this at all, but the colors from the Skittles are starting to come, and they're all coming into the middle of the plate. And so we're making a Skittles rainbow. It's kind of like magic the way it's going all by itself. If you want to do different colors or different patterns, you can do that. So you could just maybe take your red and your green Skittles and just do red, green, red, green. You can do it any way you want, whatever colors you want, as long as your Skittles are all touching next to each other. And then you have a grown-up put the hot water on, and then you just watch. It's a really cool science experiment that you can do at home with Skittles. So thanks for joining me, and have a great day.